just wanted to do some short video for you guys about my review about ads and discovery. Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about YouTube ads and discovery. Do you get more view by monetization tools? My answer is yes, based on my experience. And for your information, my channel demonetized on 12 September 2008. Since that, my channel view is decreased day by day. So, come on YouTube Insider, you done a very live video. Let's take a look at my channel analytics as the proof. View is decreased if you are demonetized. It's really true that YouTube will never promote your video if you are a demonetized channel. Well, I actually have a 3 channel, 1 demonetized, 2 channel not approved, including this channel, the current channel I used to upload this video due to what? This what? Notification. So, if you can answer my question is, please comment it below. My question is, do YouTube lie about the applications issue? Because I'm feeling cheat about the SN discovery system.